Is it ever acceptable to deceive participants in the pursuit of knowledge? A question that probes the heart of research ethics. The answer, as with many ethical dilemmas, is not as clear-cut as one might expect. Take the case of sociologist Laud Humphreys, whose controversial study in the late 1960s serves as a poignant illustration of these complexities. Humphreys conducted a covert observation of men who engaged in anonymous sexual encounters in public restrooms, a practice referred to as tea room trade. His research shed light on a subculture that was largely hidden and misunderstood, but the methods he employed have been heavily criticized for breaching several ethical boundaries. Firstly, Humphreys failed to obtain informed consent from his subjects who were unaware they were part of a research study. This raises a crucial ethical concern: the right of individuals to be fully informed about the nature, purpose, and potential risks of research before they participate. Secondly, Humphreys' study blurred the line between public and private spaces. Although these encounters took place in public restrooms, the men involved undoubtedly considered their activities private. This highlights the nuanced understanding needed when defining what constitutes a public space in research. Moreover, Humphreys went a step further and tracked down the men in their homes a year later for follow-up interviews under a different pretext, thereby breaching their confidentiality and anonymity. He also exposed them to potential harm and distress, another significant ethical transgression. The ethical codes of practice established by professional bodies like the American Sociological Association emphasize the importance of participant welfare, informed consent, and the avoidance of harm. However, as Humphreys' study illustrates, these principles can sometimes be at odds with the pursuit of knowledge about hidden or stigmatized populations. The advent of digital research environments further complicates these ethical considerations. Online spaces can seem deceptively public, making it easier for researchers to overlook the need for informed consent or to underestimate the potential for causing distress. In conclusion, the ethics of research is a complex and continually evolving field. Laud Humphreys' study serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of ethical missteps on participants, researchers, and the research itself. It underlines the importance of constantly questioning and reevaluating our research practices to ensure they align with the highest ethical standards. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge should never come at the expense of human dignity and rights.